Hello everyone, my name is Gopika and our channel is Fancy Steps. At Fancy Steps, I will show you all fancy dresses that your child requires in the school for fancy dress competition, cosplays and theme parties. So let's get started. Today I will show you the dress of Lord Krishna. So as we all know, when Lord Krishna was in his childhood, he was the naughtiest of all. So everyone wants that their kids should look naughty when they are dressed up as Lord Krishna, right? Okay, so that's what I'm going to do for you. I will show you the dress and then I will show you how the kid looks in this dress. I will show you what makeup you can apply for the kid so that he gets the cutest look of all. Now before I show you the dress, I would just like to tell you that this dress is available from 0 months till 8 years. So we have this dress readily available, and I'm sure, being a mother, I know that all mothers want to see their kids at least once in this costume. So I will show you the costume and I will help you how you can do that. And let me show you. Let's just get started. So I have this dress for Lord Krishna, and this is a very cute dress. This is the smallest size that's going to fit your child who is say from 0 months, yes, till 6 months. And as you can see that this dress has an elastic on the top which is stretchable. We have given this pattern over here so that the child gets a nice look because he's not going to wear anything on the top, and we have all these detailing done on the dress. So this is a very soft fabric for your child, and this is a very cute dress. You can just make him wear this as a lower, and on top, because Lord Krishna, he used to look cute, he was not wearing anything on the top. So this is a cloth that Lord Krishna used to wear on the top. It's called a patka. You can wrap it around the waist of the child, or you can do it as a cross on the top. So this is how he's going to wear this dress. And because it's Lord Krishna, so without the accessories, I know that the look is not going to be complete. So I have these accessories. Because the child is not wearing anything on the top, he is going to wear this jewelry, and along with this jewelry, the dress will be completed. So this is a neck piece that he will wear on the top. Then this is called bajuband. So what you have to do is that you have to put them on the arm over here and tie them on both the arms. So you tie them on both the arms, and this is the crown for your little Krishna. So you will do it like this, and the child will wear it on his head. Once you've done all of this, then we have these earrings. This is called kundal. So we have this clip in the earring. It is very comfortable. You just open the clip, put it on the child's ear and just press it. So it's very comfortable, and the child looks really cute because he gets a complete look. Then this is the bansuri, the flute. So you can put the flute either on the waist, or you can give it in the child's hand, whatever is comfortable for you. After doing all this, the child will have a complete look of a cute little Krishna, and then you can do a little makeup for the child. So how you have to do the makeup, I'm going to share a photo in which you can see what all you can do so that it enhances his look. And I'm really happy to tell you that once your child is all ready, you will be all happy. The child is going to do really nice in the competition, and you all will be with happy faces. Now friends, for this dress, I'm going to share a link in my description box. You can just go and click on the link, and you can purchase this dress along with the accessories from that link. It is very easy, so you can do that. We have these dresses available from 0 to 8 years all the time, so you can order it. And Krishna dress is a dress which you don't need for Janmashtami only. You can wear it throughout the year. I'll just share a little thing with you. I have a friend, she has a daughter. So it was her second birthday, and she got her daughter all dressed up in this Krishna costume. They made a cake of matki, a handi. She cut that cake, and it was a theme party. So everybody was so happy, and everything was all decked up. So I'm sure sure you can do that. And if you all have any questions, you can write them in the comment box. I will try and answer to all your questions related to these accessories or the costume or anything that you want to ask. Also, there's one thing, some of the parents might be concerned because the child is really small, going to kindergarten, how they can, speak about Lord Krishna. So you can make them speak in Hindi as well as English. So what you can do is, if the child is really small, you will have to repeat the lines in front of the baby, say a few times, 5 times, 10 times, and just tell the baby that you are his mirror, her mirror, and tell the baby to stand in front of you, wear the dress and say those lines. For example, the little ones can say, I am Krishna. And he can say, I have lots of avatars. Then he can say, I love dancing with the gopis. So these are the small lines which the kindergarten babies can say. And if the child is like in 2nd standard, 3rd standard, or even 1st standard, what you can do is, you can take out Gita Sar from the internet in English or Hindi, and you tell the child that you read it out to him and tell him to stand in front of the mirror and say the lines 4-5 times a day. What happens is that when we say it in front of the mirror, we are all alone. It happens to us also. So we get really confident, and the child will be able to do it on the stage. So it's, the way you explain your support, the child will be able to do everything. And guys, please like this channel, subscribe to the channel, share this video with as many people as you can, and I will be back with another dress. You can also tell me what all dresses you want to see, or what all dresses you want me to make a video on. I'll do that. Thank you. Bye bye.